Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, once again today, I have a solemn responsibility in announcing the departure from this world, the passing of our distinguished colleague, Senator Rosalyn Okoji Oko, representing Cross River North. Until her demise, to the chairman on our Committee on Trade and Investment. She died yesterday after a protracted illness. She has been ill for quite some time, and most of our members could have noticed in the last month or so the very large and loud absence of our colleague. Like the President mentioned in our closed session, we have been able at one time or other to get in touch with her. I have been speaking with her until her illness became quite protracted. May her soul rest in peace. Mr. President, my highly respected and distinguished colleagues, mine has been in the last month quite an unfortunate position to be a harbinger of bad news to this Senate. But there are certain responsibilities, whether good or fine responsibilities or not, that somebody has to carry. I will therefore do solemnly move a motion that this Senate do observe a minute's silence in honor on our departed colleague and adjourn in her honor, and in the same tone suspend all other legislative activities for the day. I so move.